You're watching video footage from a home security camera. This thief climbed over the back fence and into the yard of this family early Wednesday morning. Watch as he boldly walked up to the back patio and took not one, but two bikes that belonged to two young ladies, even though this clip only shows video footage of one bike being stolen. Thanks to Baytown PD, one bike was recovered within less than 24 hours, and a neighbor gave a bike to the other young female. The family said much prayer went up, and afterwards the bike was found parked in the city park off Blue Heron.
Units en route to the major of Massey, Tompkins. PD is advising that the male has a pulse and he's squeezing their hands.
Baytown from Engine 3.
Engine 3.
CPR is in progress. Baytown from Engine 3.
Engine 3.
Can I get 1050 time, please?
1050 time is 23:35.
What was the time again?
23:35.
12, I'm on Mass 2.